Hello and welcome to my video. I'm creating this video just to let you know a few things you can make changes in your blog basically, so it can look exactly the same as this particular blog, as the demo blog. So here we are right now. So what you've done is basically onto the posts you need to create the categories. So far we can check that out, and is not any category created. Now, since the theme basically it does request categories, because you need to choose what category you want to show the slide. Basically, since you haven't included that, then it just show, well, I can't really choose. Basically, I can't choose category since there is no category in here, except the the one comes when you install the WordPress, which is basically nothing. To edit category, first go here, you edit category, you change the name to whatever. It could category means something if you get more than one, like in this one here. Example category is music, fashion, recarpet style, lifestyle, and etc. So same thing, you can do it here. You can create one and then you create another category, and then just come up, add new category, then you add another category, then you click add new category, and you'll see all the categories showing up here. So now the reason for that is that when you go and you create a new post, which is add new post, you will have an option on the right hand side to choose the category. So far, since there's no category, it's not going to show up here, but it will show a list for you to choose. So then you select one and then you can click on publish. When you publish, when users click on that particular category, all posts saved on that category will show up. So this is how it works. That's the reason, basically, to tell the user what you want. Another thing is, when you put a title, you put a description, and you put the image, which is add media from here. You need to go to right at the end, at the bottom, click on set future image, and you need to select that image which you have uploaded for that particular post. The reason is, if you don't include that image in your future posts, it won't show on the slide, which is right up here. It won't show in the slide, it will just be empty. So you don't want to leave it empty, but you want to fill it up with the images. To do that, now I haven't activated the slide in your blog. I haven't activated yet, because the other image of your post, which we can go and have a look at that. So let's go to the post, and then we can go to edit. This particular image which you have uploaded in your post is too large. It has to be more horizontal banner than a vertical one, horizontal image than vertical. So it has to be something like this, maybe, not instead of being very vertical, very long like this. Otherwise, when it comes to the slide, the image will show up right somewhere up to the end, and you still don't want to do that. It has to be quite a good size image to be showing here. So here is the future image which I set up myself, and if I do that, you're gonna see yourself then how it looks like. So let's just go to the theme settings, and then I'm just gonna choose this is the slide anyway. Oh, sorry, it's a sidebar. Okay, that's fine. So this is the slide, and if I enable the slide, I can enable it, and I can choose category. So uncategorized, because it hasn't got any category yet, but here you got an option to choose what type of category do you want to show up on a slide, and then you can choose and click on save. Okay, you can choose that and click on save. Now when we view, it shows up like this. So basically, since the image is too large, it goes way after the way after the layout, which is up here. So you don't really want to. The image, it tells you very clearly the image should be more in a horizontal way instead of the vertical being too long. Otherwise just gonna go at a little bit, website is gonna get a bit messy and you don't really want that. So I'm gonna remove that for now, and I'll just go and choose category in here, save, and I will remove it, but I let you know that that's how you should do it anyway. Another thing, you ask for the black background, and it doesn't really work because black background, if you do it, all this stuff around here it shows as empty. However, I'm going to show you how to do it. So you go to appearance, and then you click on customize. You can come up here to the colors, and then you can choose the background. So you just click, you choose any, like let's say yellow, and then drag this to wherever you want, to whatever color you can see yourself the color is changing, right, to whatever. So if you want a little bit lighter, then you just go and you put it lighter like this. If you want darker, you go to the darker, and then in the end just click on save and publish. That's all, and the color in the background will be changed. So for now I'm just not gonna save it, and I'm just gonna leave it as it is. However, you can just do that, it's so easy. Another thing is, if you go to customize, again to the customize, and then you can go to widgets, and then you can go to footer, because we want to show up what you requested yourself about Facebook, Twitter, recent posts, recent comments. So if you click on that one, you have here Facebook fan page. So add your URL of your Facebook fan page, and then add your Twitter username. I think try with HTTP URL the entire one, or you can use just your Twitter username. Try both and see which one it works. Recent posts I've added, recent comments I've added, and then you click on save. That's all you do, and basically when you view it, it should show up here. Another thing you can do is you can just go to theme settings again, and then okay, social profile, you add URL if you are with a feed burner. If you register with a Facebook fan page, you add your Facebook fan page name, it says, so just the name, Twitter username, and Google Plus URL, the entire URL of your Google Plus where you want to send your traffic, your visitors there to basically follow you on Google Plus as well. And it's got more option if you want to add all of them. It says username, so if it says username, you just add username instead of entire URL, so you don't need http like youtube.com/username. You just use username, that's all, and you do for the rest depend on which one you register. In the end, just click on save changes and you're done. Contact, you can add your email contact in here for user to contact you. And thank you for a message. This is just thanks message after the user they contact you. That's just how it goes. Footer, this is just, you can add, we can scroll down, you can see this stuff in here. You add whatever you want to, so just come up here and change this kind of stuff to whatever you want to. Blog, the blog, it means you can choose category for the blog. The posts which are going to be showing up here, you can choose the category. So if I just say I choose and categorize, and I saved, maximum post to show 5, you can choose that to maybe larger number, depend how many you want to show up in there. Okay, let me just check. So blog categorized, enable disable breaking news section, that's fine. Category is just 1. set profile, we've done it. Sidebar, add a new sidebar. You don't really need to add a new sidebar because you already have sidebar. It means this one in here. To add another one, you don't want to. Homepage, I've told you. Color style, you can choose this one. A theme, or you can choose this one. This is with a widget, this one is without widget. If you want color in here and the rest of the color of your text of your URL, you can change it again. Just go, let's say I'm going to the orange, and you can go somewhere up here and just click on that one. That's all. And then when you save, all the colors on the menu will be saved. This is how it works anyway. The images should be updated through the FTP. That's what I've done myself. So you can't do it through WordPress, you have to go through FTP, and that's why I ask you for FTP access to be able to upload the banner. It doesn't have to be this one, it can be any other. So I'll wait for you to send me that access basically to your Google Analytics. Once I have that access, I can grab the code, and then I will install that amazing plugin to trace your traffic. So it will tell you the full traffic, where it's coming from, you know, and which post they are visiting, and so etc. And in that case, basically you can come up here and then just click on dashboard, and you will view the entire traffic of in your website, when they come in, what time they come in, how long they stay, and every single information about it you're gonna find in here. So for now, I'm gonna have to mark the job as done, because there are a couple of hours, and since we're going up and down trying to get logins and stuff, I'm marking the job as done for now. It doesn't mean that I have finished it. I will still go back. You let me know what you want. You've said some of them that what exactly you're looking for. However, if you want more, it depends on we can go and we can go back and make it changes. If you want the banner changing up here to something else, I'll go and do that. If you're not sure how to do the stuff which I've told you, basically, you know, add your Facebook URL and Twitter and recent posts and stuff like that, then I'm happy to do that. If you're not sure how to change the background, you let me know, I'll change it. It's easy basically. If you love my video, all these things you can change it yourself. However, if something you're not sure, then I'll do it for you. So as I said, for now I'll just I'll have to mark the job as done anyway, but I will be here and updating your blog. You don't have to leave any feedback or anything, just leave it for now as it is. Once I complete your job entirely, then you can go and add your feedback. So, you know, both ways we win this case. You know, like, you have your own website and I'll go paid for the work I've done, and you know, we both go in our ways. So thanks for watching this video.